Hey, it's Dominique Well from Well Medical Arts, and I just wanted to talk about my favorite filler, Bellafill. So a couple things about Bellafill that makes it so amazing. One, it's the longest lasting filler. It's got a 5-year duration with the longest safety profile. Two, it builds your own collagen. So Bellafill is 80% bovine collagen, cow collagen. So we do a little skin test on people to make sure that they're not allergic to beef. And then it's 20% PMMA. These are the little microspheres, the molecules that make your body build collagen. So 80% of what you're gonna see and feel from the Bellafill is your own collagen. It's beautiful, nothing nicer than your own collagen. It also comes in these amazing kits, and the kit comes with a syringe of 5 syringes in here. Right now Bellafill has a special out where you buy 5 and you get the 6th free. So we usually have about 6 syringes to work with. That's easily a starting point for most people, just to get a little bit of the foundation of volume loss back. We lose 1 teaspoon of fat pads per year starting at the age of 25. So most of us have lost something like 25 teaspoons of fat. So just starting with the 6, you can easily put some into the temples, some into the cheeks. We start with the upper face to support the lifting, and then we tend to use less on the lower face. We don't want weight in the bottom of the face, or we don't want to be able to see the filler. We really want to put the filler back where you used to have it and not just treat the symptoms, so it looks very, very natural and beautiful. I get really nice results with the Bellafill. People are very, very happy because you don't need to keep repeating it. And then I tell people, just go ahead, once we get people back to where they were before, then we're just trying to keep them at their status quo and trying to put it in faster than they're losing it, just to keep them looking their natural selves. It's a really lovely product, and I'd love to teach you more about it when you come in.